Hello guys, norokno puilano lamsogo ani channel o ang tini nokni bagui video tubui phaiuka relative vocabulary halokno tui chwng tini nailainai family no hino nukhung human being no hino borok parents no hino buma bufa sibling no hino joma surname no hino bosong father no hino babu hayake bufa mother no hino ma relative no hino gusti daughter no hino sajok son no hino sajla uncle no hino mama kaka yong auntie no hino toy mami kaki guest no hino nograi cousin no hino toy ni bwsa mama ni bwsa forefather no hino bakoto grandfather no hino thagu grandmother no hino nana father in law no hino bwkra mother in law no hino bwkrajak husband no hino bwsai wife no hino bihik midwife no hino bihikusu sister no hino bukhuk brother no hino takhuk elder sister no hino bai hayake bukhuk okra younger sister no hino bahanajak elder brother no hino takhuk okra younger brother no hino bufayung sister in law no hino basui brother in law no hino umui maternal auntie no hino toy hayake moi maternal grandfather no hino mani bufa thagu maternal grandmother no hino mani buma nana house no hino nok person no hino borok male no hino chwla female no hino bwrui child no hino cherai bwsa baby no hino cherai children no hino cherai rok girl no hino bwrui bwsa boy no hino chwla bwsa youth no hino sikla man no hino borok women no hino kajak bwrui bride no hino kunya groom no hino jamai nephew no hino babsa niece no hino maisa grandson no hino busuk jela granddaughter no hino busuk burui son in law no hino bwchamari daughter in law no hino bahamjik adopter son no hino palogrimani bwsa foster father no hino bupa phatoi stepmother no hino buma matoi barjing no hino sikla widow no hino randi midwar no hino randa relationship no hino halokbomani servant no hino seleng neighbor no hino nokso ari heir no hino yakchu king no hino gusti relation no hino halok infant no hino kwlui hambai norok no ani video no payasak naima bagui norok ani video no chajak khe like khai di ang nokni bagui taibo video kwtal tunai norok naina muchung khe ani channel no subscribe khai di hambai।